Hi guys, I got these new Tesla turbines from epicphysics.com a couple of days ago, and I thought I'd make a video to show you the versatility of Nikola Tesla's invention. They've been redesigned to allow the exhaust from a first turbine, this one's to be powered by compressed air. The air comes in, does its work, exits at the exhaust ports and goes to the inlet of a second turbine. Then it does its work in there, and theoretically you could put another turbine here using the exhaust from this one. I'll take apart one of the turbines and compare it to the old turbine. I have both and I'll show you the difference. Okay folks, I have the new turbine open, and these are from the old turbine. These are a bit damaged. I've put them through quite a lot in their time. So that's the old discs are red, the new ones are white, which there's the little bearings. Yeah, the new white discs make it very easy to see. If you were to put fluid into the turbine, you'd be able to see the movement of the fluid, whereas with the red disc it'd probably be more difficult. This is the old front cover. It just sat on here, so the exhaust ports were wide open and the air basically went in, did its work and came straight out again. Where with the new front cover, which goes on like so, the air does its work, exits through the exhaust ports, and then is forced to go into this tube here so it can be reused. So it's a pretty cool redesign, I think. Okay, now that you've seen the parts, I will power up the first turbine on its own. I'll disconnect this one just to let you have a listen to a single turbine. I'm just using a standard compressor. Those of you familiar with the old turbine, or unfamiliar should I say, can watch a video here. That video also shows how the Tesla turbine works. You'll also notice that the old turbine was a lot louder than this one, probably because of the open exhaust ports, which are now closed on this turbine. I'll set everything back up and I'll power both of them from the first turbine. Okay, it's all set back up. This turbine is going to spin in this direction, and this turbine is going to spin in that direction. Actually, I forgot to mention one thing. I always find this operates best, and it's mentioned on epicphysics.com, that you cover the other inlet port, completely seal it off. I think if you operate it without that covered, it upsets the airflow. So we'll try again. It should, this turbine here should work more easily this time. I wish I had have bought maybe 3 or 4 of the turbines, because I think this one still has enough power to connect another turbine to, and we could probably power 3 turbines off one source of air. If you can imagine, if this system was in operation in power stations, you could theoretically extract 100% of whatever power, steam power you put in, with absolutely no waste whatsoever. These could probably also work as a pump. If you took this turbine, powered it with compressed air, and took this turbine, turned it 180 degrees and connected them by a shaft, so that this turbine is spinning this turbine, this one could then suck in from here as a pump, and it would expel the fluid through the outer ports. I'll make a video of that in the coming days if possible, and hopefully with the white discs it'll be easy to see the movement of the fluid within the turbine. So that's everything. I might get a third turbine maybe in the coming weeks, and I'll see if I can power 3 of them off one power source. Thanks for watching.